Toys finally came in the mail today. I ordered 2 Integrity Toys dolls back in September, October. They were supposed to ship at the end of November, but yeah, I guess some stuff happened. But at least they're here now, so yay! These are adult collector dolls. They are a little pricey. They were $175 each. I did pre-order them from an authorized dealer listed on the Integrity Toys website. Little disclaimer, I am not an expert on Integrity Toys dolls. I like dolls, so I collect them and I learn as I go. So please forgive me if I pronounce things wrong. Helpful criticism is always appreciated in the comments down below. This box says item number 21002. The description is dress to chill, Tenzin Dahkling. I'm pretty certain I said that wrong. Fashion figure, the Monarchs. Collection. I looked it up on Google. It said this was pronounced It said that it was French for man. Let's go ahead and open this up, because right now we're just looking at a regular cardboard box. Here is some tissue paper. Awfully close to the camera, trying not to hit it. That was the box hitting the floor. All right, let's remove the tissue paper. And we have a very nice dark blue box. It says the Monarchs on the front. Let's open the side, and there's the doll chilling in his box. Let's take a look at those accessories. Ooh, wow, we have 2 sets of hands. This looks like a pair of shoes, and I think those are glasses and possibly some jewelry. I really like that there are so many options. Look at that. Why can't all dolls come with a whole bunch of different hands? That would really come in handy. Get it? He has black sock shoes that say Monarchs on the side. There's a lot of texture on the bottom. He has sunglasses that can really fold up. Wow, I love the details. A skull ring, another ring, and a pair of earrings. On the side of his box, we found a black bag. It has little silver details on the bottom, a zipper on one side with some little buttons underneath. Then this opens up. It's magnetic, and the zipper is under there. Should we tempt it and try to open it? All right, yeah, okay, it opened pretty easily. Inside the bag, you can actually put stuff in there. That'll work. Let's close this back up and then never open it again. There we go. It has 2 short handles and 1 long adjustable one made out of ribbon. Now let's get him out of the box. We just have to loosen all of these ribbons. We have to take this out of the box in order to reach the ones in the back. That is also where we will find our certificate of authenticity. We have number 533 out of 700. The doll stand is located underneath the box as well. It has a square base and says the Monarchs. And here he is, completely out of the box. Wearing a box. That hairstyle is wow. He has burgundy and black rooted hair on top, burgundy flocking going around the top of the sides, then a light brown paint, and there's a little etching right there on the side of his head. His eyes look to the side, his ears are pierced. Out of the box, his hands are wrapped in plastic, which I assume is to prevent staining. He is dressed in a lot of dark colors. He's wearing a burgundy jacket. I'm hoping it's faux leather. There are 4 pockets on the front. The top flaps are sewn down. It is gray and black around the top. There is a real zipper, and the back is burgundy and black. He wears charcoal gray pants. It has a fitted leg with a pleated one sewn on top. They fasten with a hook and zipper in the front. When we remove the jacket, we see that he's wearing a black sheer shirt with a design on the front. It kind of reminds me of Off-White. The shirt fastens with hooks in the back, and we can see that there is another shirt underneath, a t-shirt with the letter M all over it. The pants have pockets. That's pretty cool. We get a lot of different pieces here, which is really cool because I don't have a lot of Integrity Toys guys clothing. However, there is a lot of black, which makes me very nervous about staining. So we probably won't let him sit on the shelf in this outfit. I guess I have to make some more sweatsuits. But that jacket is pretty cool. This doll is fully articulated with movement at the head. Not a lot of movement side to side, and not a lot up and down. He can move at the shoulder, the elbow, the wrist, upper torso, hip, and knee, but there is stuff around his knee. The ankle does move. You do have to undress them to get the plastic off of the knee. They are anatomically correct, just letting you know that. But overall, it's nice to have another guy in our miniverse. I do wish they had a wider range of motion, especially at the arms, so he could hold a cell phone to his ear. But that's just me going crazy over articulation. In our second box, we have item number 21003, Gene Therapy, Tobias Alsford, Fashion Figure, The Monarchs, Ohm Collection. I am really excited about this one because it looked like he had amazing clothes, just looking at the pictures. Same box. These dolls are for collectors ages 15 and up. Are you ready for the grand reveal here? Oh, sorry, the door wouldn't let me open it all the way for the full effect. But there he is in the box. He's got facial hair. Let's check out those accessories. We got some nice shoes there, more hands, and lots of jewelry. He only came with one set of hands, and the other guy came with two. His shoes are pretty cool. They are a taupe color. They have laces, some little stitching on the sides. That's pretty cool. He has a silver bracelet, a silver colored necklace with a rectangle at the bottom, another silver colored necklace. This one has a little cylinder, a black string necklace with a circle medallion, a silver colored ring, and a ring with a little red colored jewel. I don't think it really is a jewel. I think it's just like poured in there, but it looks pretty cool. Taped inside his box, there is a dark brown and blue sling bag. It has gold zippers. The handle feels like a faux leather. Really cool little buckle on the end there. And there are pockets on the sides. Under his box, we found the certificate of authenticity. He is number 204 out of 700. I think that's a 2 anyway. He has the same doll stand. And here he is, finally completely out of the box. This is Tobias. He's got a lot of hair. It's just in these large curls on top of his head. There's a little bit of flocking on the sides. It's the long, spiky kind. Then there's a little paint to look like the rest of his hair is shaved. To be honest, I don't know how I feel about the hair at the moment. I put a rubber band around it to try to help give it a little shape. I don't like permanently changing these expensive collector dolls, but that hair. He has green eyes, and he's looking forward, which I like. Painted on facial hair. He wears a black suit jacket with burgundy cuffs and a collar. It has a little gathering in the back. Okay. The inside is lined, which is really nice. He wears a long sleeve plaid shirt underneath with faux buttons going down the front. It uses hooks to fasten. The little pocket is functional. Cool. He wears blue jeans with some light distressing, functional pockets in the front and in the back. I like all the stitching and the details. They fasten in the front with a hook and a zipper, and he wears a long sleeve gray V-neck t-shirt underneath, and it closes with hooks in the back. Oh look, and his jeans have belt loops. I wish his jeans were just a little bit larger. They are a tiny bit restrictive when he goes to sit. But overall, I think these two guys are great additions to our collection. We need more guys in our miniverse, so I am very happy to have found these two. I plan on adding them to our doll series, Summer and Callie. However, I have not developed their character names yet. I wasn't sure they were ever gonna show up, so we don't know what their roles are going to be. I guess we'll just have to wait and see. Thank you for joining us while we took a look at these two Integrity Toys dolls. Like, comment, share, and subscribe. Don't forget to ring the bell and follow us on Instagram at MyFroggyStuff and the Frog Vlog. And we will see you next time.